Hey folks, today is January 13th. I had a doctor's appointment this morning, so I'm running late. I think it's about 10 o'clock right now. Yeah, 10:06. So let's see if we can jump in on a trade today, buying a limit.
Order pending.
And this is going to be a conservative setup. So hopefully we'll get filled on this, so maybe we can at least catch one trade before the 11 o'clock hour here.
Order filled.
All right, so order is now filled. My dog is running around like a chicken with his head cut off, so I need to look at taking him out before he pees in my house. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video here for you guys and go ahead and take care of a few things. And when I come back, hopefully we'll see a profit here. Let me set up one more line so we'll know where everything was. All right, so if I come back and we're stopped out down here, obviously we're just in a losing trade. If I come back and we've hit this level, obviously we've hit our first profit target. Okay, I'll be back with you guys momentarily. All right, guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and pop this up to break even. As you can see, we got up to 4 ticks in profit. And at this point, if we end up with another break-even day, I'm just going to accept it. You know, it might take the market a little bit of time to get back to the period before we actually had those holidays and such, because can't control how things work here. Eventually, it will get back to the way it was before, but it might take some time. All right, while we're waiting, I'm going to go ahead and look at doing some things here. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back, and hopefully we will have hit our profit target up here. Trying to see if it's going to pop up there real quick. All right, well, I gave it a few seconds. Guess not. I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back to you guys shortly. Well, how about that? Before I even left my computer desk, we got our target filled here, which is obviously a good thing. So we're going to continue to let this run. We're only at about 3 minutes here, so we're doing good on time. I think a better profit target will probably be about that level, because there's some pretty strong resistance up here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys later. Hey folks, just another quick update here. My Ninja Trader just said connection lost. And as you can see here, the market is pushed up nicely towards our profit target. So I'm going to see exactly what's going on here with this. Hopefully, I can get this back up here. It's showing that it's there. Disconnect, vision. All right, guys, let me try to figure this out. I'll be back with you momentarily. All right, so I have my connection back now, as you guys can see here. Vision Financial Market connected. Not sure what happened or why it happened, but it is what it is. And it looks like we came pretty close to hitting our profit target here. Didn't quite make it. I'm definitely going to move this up. And it's coming down pretty heavily. Like I said, there's definitely a lot of resistance up here at this level, and it might have been better for me to have my profit target right here, because it's been tested several times, instead of up here where it had to make a new high. All right, either way, we're going to continue watching it. We'll either take 5 ticks on both contracts, or we'll get a much larger win. All right, so if we do get filled here, that'll be about 11 ticks in profit. Hopefully we won't have any more issues with Ninja. All right, let me go ahead and pause it again. I'll be back with you guys momentarily. I'm just running in and out, checking the charts as I have time. So we'll see what happens. All right, folks, just came back, and as you can see here, we got stopped out right here, just barely. The market came down, touched our level, and bounced off of it back to the upside. Bit disappointing in a few areas. Number one, if I would have paid attention to this just a little bit better, I would have known not to, place my profit target up here instead down here, so that the market wouldn't have to go through this level to make a new high in order to get me out with a profit of 11 ticks or so. But it is what it is, as I like to say. So we're going to go ahead and end it there for the day. It is about 10:30 right now. Typically, I'll try to go until around 11 o'clock or so, but I got a few other errands I need to run here, so I have to look at leaving again. So if you guys have any questions, and actually let me take a look at the market earlier. It's only at 6 minutes and 30 seconds here. Let me see what we had earlier today. All right, 10:02. Okay, that's the trade I just took here. Look at that move. That was a beautiful move. I can't believe I only got 5 ticks out of that. Anyway, let me see. Before that, we had another opportunity. 840. 840. All right, so there was an opportunity here at 840. So basically, I took the same trade that was here at 840, it looks like. This obviously was a nice winner, and this obviously was a nice winner. Let's see what else we got here. If there are any short trades. All right, I'm not seeing any short trade setups. Anyway, look. Oh, man. The more I watch this market, the more frustrated I get. Look at that. We only got taken out by 1 tick on this trade. And even if I would have left my take profit here, if we wouldn't have got taken out there, it would have been a nice winner. But anyway, it doesn't really matter if and but, what could have happened doesn't matter, I suppose. So that's going to be it. We're at 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Don't want to keep rambling on. I'm going to be back tomorrow, and I'll end this on Friday. We'll try to hopefully get a few more trades for the week. All right, guys, take care.